next adventure. So I'm going to be walking the Bibblumun Track. Bibblumun Track is one of the world's great long distance walking trails, stretching 1,000 kilometres from Kalamunda in the Perth Hills to Albany on the south coast, winding through the heart of the scenic southwest of Western Australia. Anyway, yeah, this is what I'm taking, this is what I'm doing. Right, this is just an overview of what I'm going to take or have sent to campsites. Righto, welcome to the meal process of what I'm going to eat on the Bibblumun Track, 1,000 kilometres from Kalamunda to Albany. So what I'm going to do, I just brought this stuff from, most of it's from Safeway. Like a meal, this cost $2.50. You know, all these plant-based chili con carne, pasta, $2.50. You know, all these plant-based chili con carne, pasta, you know, wasabi, no more than $3 a packet. These are my leftovers from when I rode the Munda Biddi. There's some army ration packs I have left over. I think you know who you are. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use these bags here, and I'm going to, what I can, I'm going to pack it into bags. So just small Ziploc bags. So I mixed everything up into 2 bowls, and I'm just getting a cupful for each bag. So that's 1 meal. Yeah, it's just a cupful. Yeah, so that'd be my meals for the trip, plus all those other extras. Anyway, back to it. Chili con carne, pasta, mushrooms, and wasabi flavoured peas. Anyway, probably about 35 meals here to make. I'll check back with you soon. Righto, so the time has come. Walking the Bibblumun Track, 1,000 kilometres from Kalamunda near Perth to Albany. And I'm just about to pack all my gear and get it all ready. So I'm going to take you through what I got and why I got it and where I'm going to pack it. So I'm doing the Bibblumun Track. It's a 1,000 kilometers, as I just said. I'm doing it in 59 days. 54 of that is walking. The other 5 is rest days in hotels and accommodation. Anyway, let me just take you through what I've got and why I'm taking it. Okay, first thing we're going to start with is my Black & Wolf 75 litre pack. It's a small pack, very compact. I've always used these kinds of packs. It's got an adjustable back support. Yeah, good pack. Comes with a weather gear, so you just pull out a weather bag and it just covers the whole pack. Alright, gaiters. So full size gaiters. Time of year is February, and a lot of snags, so I want extra coverage. And even though it's going to be hot, I got my MacPack jacket. Folds up really good, only a hand size. I got my Kalamunda Pathfinder sleeping bag, 830 grams. Inside my sleeping bag I carry my silk liner, just due to the weather. Here I got my Mountain Design self-inflating mat. Weight is 0.46 kilos. My Bibblumun Track maps, toilet paper, my first aid kit, So I've got sunscreen, pawpaw, everything you need for a snake bite and any mishaps on the way. Always bring strapping tape. I'll tell you why in a second. My cooking gear, so a pot, scouring brush, my gas cooker fits in there, my ultra small burner fits in a little bag here, close up like that. I bring a fire lighter starter, even though I don't need it for the cooker, just in case. My other pot goes like this, and all that goes in. My knife, fork and spoon go into the bag. Everything goes in that one little bag. My toiletries, I like to carry in a plastic container so nothing gets squashed and goes everywhere. Tropical strength Aerogard spray. I've got tea tree antiseptic spray, aloe vera, but I've mixed it with peppermint oil. What it does is bugs and mice and rats don't like the smell of peppermint, so you mix it together, probably 80% tea tree, 20% peppermint, and you just spray that around your tent at night time. All my electronic gear, I have GoPro, power bank and GoPro stick. To charge everything, I hang this solar panel off the back of my, that's how big it is, off the back of my pack, so it's hanging there all day, and then I just plug a USB into it there, and that goes straight into here when I want to charge this up. This will last. To charge my iPhone, GoPro every day, this will last 5 days. Right, then when I want it charged, I just plug this into it, or when I get to a camp, I just plug it into the GoPro or the phone, charge it up, but I'll always keep this fully charged. I got a PLB for emergencies. This is good until 7 years, something like that. Anyway, it's good for 7 years. Locate you anywhere in Australia. So it's good into 2030. I always carry a waterproof shoulder bag, so I carry that on the front of my body, and in here I have the PLB, I have my wallet, have all my emergency stuff that I need. So if ever I was getting evacuated off the track, I can take this bag is always with me, and I don't need anything else. A towel, a neck towel, so I'll carry this around my neck along the trail, because it's going to be summer, it's going to be really hot. Temperatures between 24 and 36. Head torch with spare batteries. Zip ties. I always carry duct tape, so I get a piece of cardboard and then I wrap duct tape around a piece of cardboard in a plastic bag. Well, I have to have salt and pepper. I have to have salt and Tabasco sauce. So every day I use pink Himalayan salt, and I put it on my food, or I put it in my water every day. Always carry a spare bag, so when you go to the shops, IGA or Woolies, you can just take that in with you. I'll carry a book and Sudoku, glasses, my sunproof hat, neck hat. So on this track I'm taking my Brooks running shoes. I've had issues with my feet, and I want to try them out. I've also taken my Merno socks, so no smell. Taking my thongs, pluggers. Also taking, I think I'm unsure if I'm going to take these, but these is for when I go swimming in the rivers and the creeks. My 2 litre camel back, that's my daily use. This one will be in my pack for emergencies, and this is my everyday use life straw. The clothes I'm taking, so I'll be wearing this full length sleeve shirt with a singlet and underwear, the breathable underwear, good for hot temperatures. My night stuff, I'm going to wear shorts and a t-shirt and a spare pair of underwear, plus the shorts I'm wearing now. I'll be wearing those on the track, but it's all I'm taking for 2 months, nothing else in regards to clothing. Always take a Leatherman. This is from an old sleeping mat, so I'm using this to sit down. Also, it can be used as a splint. As I said, I use the tape here, and if something happens to me, or broken leg, broken arm, I need a splint, I can use my mat to splint off my broken parts. Meals. So here I got 7 days worth of meals. I don't usually buy this backcountry stuff processed. You know, it's expensive, $12 to $15 a bag. I usually just make my own. So this is just dried food, couscous, plant-based pasta, dried mushroom and some peas. So this is 2 days right there. That's a day. I've taken some soups and some muesli bars. Also have some hydration powder and some aspirin and stuff like that. I always take rubbish bags because you've got to bring the rubbish out with you. Always take a tent. So this is a Duralite mat pack 2-person tent. It's a freestanding tent, 1.9 kilo, 1.8 kilos. I'll always take it no matter what I do. Gives me security, and you know, even though there's 49 huts on the way and about 5 or 6 towns, what if something happens and I need security at night time, need to get away from the bugs and the weather? Anyway, so I take a 2-man tent. Like this pole here, I have walking sticks, but I'm taking my pole that I walk Dakota track on. So in 2019 I walked the Dakota track, and the fuzzy wuzzy that was with me, he made this at the end of the track, burnt it. So I carried the stick, but he burnt it and carved it in the second last day I was on the track. Anyway, so this is basically what I'm taking. I think I've covered everything. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put all that stuff, I'm going to put it in that bag there. Anyway, wish me luck. Righto, so I'm all packed up. Everything, including the tent, fits inside my pack. You've got the water shoes on the outside, the solar panel hanging down. Usually it'll be just like that. So the cord will come out of there, and then we'll go through here into my power bank. My water bladder is just resting on here. My other water will just go in the pockets here. My sitting mat and my wood just right there. My hat, my gaiters I'm going to wear, my front bag waterproof I'm going to wear, my scarf for micro towel will be there. The clothes I'm going to wear are right here. So yeah, see how much it weighs. Alright, 17.8 kilos. Pretty good. Oh, so I've got the zip ties also right here. Yeah, just in case something breaks on the pack, I need to zip tie it up. Always good to go. Anyway, my bag also has a rain jacket here. Pull that out, it'll go straight over the front of the pack. That's it, done. I'm going to end the video there. This is just an overview of what I'm taking in my pack. Before I go, I'll probably change it about 10 more times. But anyway, I'll edit and do these videos when I get back on the 23rd of April. In the meantime, I'll do a bunch of shorts. Okay, thank you so much.